Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, in the part 2 of the 3-in-1 day trip we did, we're going to visit Prison Island. The guide will explain to us where this island got its name from and what it was used for in the past. And then also there's these massive tortoises living on this island and we got to feed them. What an amazing experience. Let's go!
By the way, it has 3 names. Okay, the first name was called the Changu. Okay, Changu is a fish. All right, because fishermen were just coming that side there. They were fishing kind of fish was called the Changu fish. That's why this prison first name is called the Changu Island. Okay, second name is called the Prison Island. Why it's called the prison? Because the prison first was built in 1893. Okay, it was built in 1893, but honest, never used as a prison because from Stone Town there were patient people who were suffering from yellow fever, cholera, malaria. So all were brought in this island as a quarantine station. Okay, so quarantine is the third name or last name. Okay, so you can call Changu Island or Prison Island, even Quarantine Island. It's okay with that, no problem. Okay. So never used it as a prison. Never used it as a prison. All right. And my friends, before this building, in 1860, Sultan Majid gave this island to Omanese Arab to keep the root slave. You know root slave? Oh, you know root people? Yeah. Yes, so before this building, the root slaves were brought into this island. Then after a few days, they were brought to the market in Stone Town. In Stone Town there, I'm going to show you this, where all the former slave market site. Okay? Just like that. So 3 names, remember, Prison Island, Quarantine Island, or Changu Island.
So this was like a hospital?
Yes, as a quarantine. They were brought, so never used as a prison. Okay? Are we together?
Yeah, happy.
Yes, Hakuna Matata. Yeah, in Stone Town there, I'm going to show you slave chambers. Then I'm going to talk more about the slaves. I'm going to talk more. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Pole, okay?
Pole.
Yes, so if you just want to see the rooms, and not everything is old, yeah? Others are new, as you can see. Yes, some guys say the same.
Why did they want to put the prisoners here?
Yes.
Okay, they didn't do it. But...
Yeah, they designed as a prison, but they didn't use because from Stone Town.
Okay.
Yeah, there was disease. People were
better?
suffering from yellow fever, cholera, like that. So that was the main reason, or reasonable reason, like that. And my friend, this was the main interest by that time. This was the main entrance. Here, there was stairs like there. Okay, now it's broken here. Yes, so with the main entrance here. Okay, yes. So nowadays you can just use there. And now here, maybe after watching everything, must jump. Otherwise, there is punishment because we are in prison now.
Please don't jump. We need you.
Are you okay?
It's beautiful, yeah.
Yes, it's beautiful. Now it's low tide. Sometimes when it's high tide, the water can be there. Now it's low tide, my friends. See them? You just have to be very, very careful. Okay? Yes, for
Did
you.
they bite?
Yeah, they bite when you just have to be
Okay.
careful. Yes.
You show us, ne?
Yes, Hakuna Matata. You can see. Come on. Yes. Don't worry. Don't be scared. Let me take your pictures and videos. So big, huh?
Oh, massive.
Yes, feed them. There were only 3 or 4 from Seychelles. They were brought as a gift for Sultan to decorate this island.
Okay.
There were only 3 or 4, right? Other dead and others still alive, as you can see now. They are so big. There are another 150. There are another like the oldest one, just like 180. So almost, yeah, almost 200 years old, like that, right? Yeah. So they were growing up here.
Okay.
Yes, and other days. Yes. You can see other are so big but still young, like 15, like that. By the way, the oldest one is not massive. Okay? There is another one is massive. I'm gonna show you. Yes.
This is the oldest tortoise here. He's almost 200 years old. That's crazy.
Insane.
He's massive. Guys, thank you for sticking around to the end. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. There will definitely be some more adventures to come. See you in the next one. Bye.